name is Tian Xiangsheng. I'm from China, and our company name is SUZHOU DUONUO Textile Co Ltd. And our main products is TPU film and recycled taffeta, also nylon taffeta and Oxford microfiber. Also, we can make digital printing. And for all these products, usually used for the backpack and also the garments, and also for the outdoor tents and some other usage. And it's the first time for me to come to Bangladesh. I feel very comfortable for the service here. And if possible, we plan to set up our office next year. And because this is a very big market.